Howdy, howdy, howdy. Okay, today we are going to look at the Wysi multiple purpose compostable wipes. You may remember these from such videos as my car kit video. Went ahead and took them out of the box, put them in this plastic bag because over time, cardboard's gonna break down. As you can see, the plastic has already kind of broken down and separating them, and I don't want them exposed to the elements. These wipes I purchased myself, so we are gonna take a look at them. It says it's how natural Wysi feels. No added chemicals, super strong, fragrance free, hypoallergenic, all natural, reusable, absorbent, and amazingly soft. Made with only one ingredient, cellulose. That's what it says. So, Wysi made from 100% pure cellulose without any additional ingredients. Irritate sensitive skin. They're also so compact you can take them anywhere for use anytime. Simply add water or the liquid you need and they'll expand to a practical cloth that will amaze you. Not a toy, keep it dry. Made in China. Distributed by someplace in British Columbia. For North America to use. Anyway, let's crack one of these open, or a few of them open. Take a look, see what we can do with them. Yes, I've got them in this bag that just does not look right. But, oh well. They are, see, they're just these little tablets, about nickel size, and gosh, was that like 2 or 3 nickels thick? US nickels. Anyway, let's see how much they weigh. Got this turned on. They are, 1 gram. 1 gram, that's it. Okay, first let's see if we can do anything with this dry. Yeah, it's kind of hard to expand when it's dry. Maybe if we cut it, if we can get it to start doing stuff. Okay, yeah. Well, okay, there we go. There we go. Purchase these myself. Yeah, they are compressed very good. There we go. There we go. That's how big they are. Okay, now let's see how flammable they are. Probably too compressed to really get something going. There's this little fluff here. Let's see if we can fluff it up. Alright, get a little fluff there. Let's see how that does. Yeah, I think you're going to really need to fluff it up to really get it going. It smells kind of like marshmallow. See when it's already fluffed up. Not too bad. Okay. Let's go ahead and see with it fluffed up how it does with a ferro rod. There it goes. I guess I really shouldn't say fluffed up. I guess I should say expanded, perhaps. Oh, gosh. Well, let's just see. Just throw that one on there, see how that one does. Yeah, still doesn't take very well. Let's see how one of these does compacted on a ferro rod. Probably not very well. Yeah, ferro rod not very well. So, I guess the point of the story is if you want to light one of these up, puff it up. Now it said add water. Look at that. Look at that. Let you just look at it. Just added a little bit of water. Both of them. Let's start puffing up. With just a little bit of water. Oh, it's on the other side. Okay, so that's about how big they are when you add water. Here it is next to the Bic lighter. Let's go ahead and get a ruler and measure this. Okay, it is approximately be about 13 by 8. No, by 9 probably. 13 by 9 if you stretch it out. Go ahead and use it. Feels just like a moist towelette. How about strength? Let's see here the tear strength. It's got a little bit of rigidity, but I mean, yeah, you can tear it apart. As you can see, that's what I'm doing. But it's got a little strength to it. Stronger than I thought it was going to be. How about that? So, what do I think about these Wysis? Yeah, just add a little water, puff up pretty good. Don't know how good they're going to be at drying stuff because you have to have water to puff it up unless you want to spend a lot of time breaking it open and to pull it apart, which it's going to take a lot of time to do that for one of these towels, so it's not worth the effort to do that. So, yeah. Sorry, there's not much left to say. There's not much to say about these except they're little tablets that expand in water pretty well and hold decently. So, again, I bought these myself, not sponsored, and Wysi didn't send these to me, so bought them myself a while ago. I don't even know if you still find them, probably can. Work pretty decent as a little towel. Threw some in the car, threw some in my get home kit, threw some in my hiking kit. So I can have for quick emergency, as long as you got some little bit of liquid. Yeah, you can use them to clean up. As long as you got a little bit of liquid, you can use them as you saw for fire, but you really gotta puff it up or really scrape it up to do that. Just on the tablet itself, it's not really gonna catch. But as long as you give it that exposed surface area by roughing it up, you should be okay. I wouldn't rely on them as like a source of tinder, but they can be used in a pinch. So what will I give these out of 10? Yeah, 7 out of 10. They do their job. So what could they do better is, I guess, if they perhaps came apart easier without having to really work at it, or if they lit better when they're in the compressed form. But I guess if I could do both of that, they wouldn't be as compressed. Trade-offs, I guess. So anyway, that's all I've got for the Wysi tablets. And remember, generic outro. Hey, thanks Thanks for checking out this video. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Check out these other videos floating around on the screen here, and you know, stick around for additional stuff coming up. You never know what I might do. Will be another taste test, will be a review. Will I be out hiking again? Who knows? Stick around, find out. Enjoy.